Hey guys, it's Sylvia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the super cute mango earrings. This is a snack in Mexico, one of my favorite snacks. I kind of want to eat this. They're super cute, so if you want to learn how I made them, let's go ahead and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, bye! Okay, so the things that we need here, it's gonna be some polymer clay. This is from the brand Sculpey and the color yellow number 72, 072. I'm gonna use that, some Mod Podge glue so we can glue on our little earring backends, some toothpicks, a blade. I have this box cutter that will do, and the little earring back thingies. I'm also using some paprika because I feel like it gives it a really realistic look, and it's not spicy, so this works perfect. We're gonna start with our hands very clean, and you're gonna start forming two little balls about the same size. Once you have your little balls, you're gonna start pinching in the top very gently so you can kind of make it into a teardrop type shape. Once you have that, you're gonna turn the teardrop a little bit to the side. Use how it looks right here. I'm gonna add the toothpick, and I also have this clay right here that is like transparent liquid, used to make it a little stronger. You don't have to use this. You can even glue the stick on later. Just make the little hole, and I done it without it, and it's fine. So you don't have to be fancy. I'm gonna make multiple pairs because I sell these on my shop. When I'm making this, I'm making sure that the back is kind of flat because that's where we're gonna glue the earring. So the front kind of rounded, and then the back, it can be a little flat. If it's not flat, even after baking, you can kind of cut it a little bit to make it flatter, but that's a little more dangerous. You can cut yourself, so just kind of try to make them flat from the beginning. Once I have all the little mangoes I want, I'm gonna put them in the freezer for about 5 minutes because I feel that makes it easier for me to cut the clay. Once they come out of the freezer, I'm gonna cut them this way. I don't know how to explain it to you, but as you can see right here, 1, 2, 3. Every time I cut, I kind of bring the blade down so it looks like a little flap. If you just look up on Google like mango Mexico snack, you will see how they're cut up too. I'm gonna try to bring the camera a little closer so I can show you from a closer point of view. You see what I'm doing? And it's okay if they're not perfect, because once you add the little spicy stuff, it's gonna cover it up. You can see right here too, I'm not cutting the back because remember, the back is where the earring goes. I'm just doing the cutting in the front. Yeah, remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's gonna be fine. That's what makes art beautiful. It's gonna make it even look more realistic. You know, it's all okay. Also, please be really careful when you're cutting because, I have cut myself multiple times and it's not fun. Okay, once they're all cut up, you can see that one is messed up. It doesn't matter. We're gonna put them in the oven. Follow the directions on your clay. Mine says for like 25 minutes at 250 degrees. So that's what I did. I let them cool down. Once they're all cooled down, we're gonna start adding the little spicy stuff, and that's what's gonna make them look real. I will be putting a thin layer of Mod Podge on them. Once I put the Mod Podge, I'm gonna add the paprika. You can use tahini too since it's not spicy either. We're gonna cover it back up with Mod Podge on top of it, so it doesn't even matter. I'm gonna add however much spice I want. I'm asking right here the client, do you want it spicy, a little spicy, or very spicy? So here I do that, and I'm gonna continue to do all of them. once I'm done adding the spice and the Mod Podge from the bottom layer has dried up, I'm gonna cover them with another layer of Mod Podge so it doesn't smell like paprika when you put them on your ear. This way we protect them too, and it gives them that glossy finish that makes them look too like it has lemon or something, I don't know. Okay, here my Mod Podge dried, so I'm gonna start gluing the little earring back thingies and all of my mangoes. Once the glue is dried, I'm gonna start cutting my little toothpicks. I have this tool right here, even scissors work. So I'm gonna cut them to however length I want them to be. I'm gonna eyeball it. I usually do pretty good with that, so I'm just gonna cut them all about the same size, and we have our little cute earrings ready. Now all you need to do is, if you want to give them away, you can put them into like a little fancy earring holder thingy, like you're gonna see what I do in a little bit, because I sell these and I give them away too. So I think it's such a cute present, very thoughtful, very unique. So yeah, I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Don't eat them. Remember, they're not real.